In today's world, soft drinks are produced on a massive scale to meet global demand. Behind every bottle or can is a carefully designed manufacturing process that combines precision, hygiene, and advanced technology. Inside a modern factory, production begins with strict planning to ensure quality and consistency at every stage. The first step in the process is ingredient preparation. Water is the main component and it goes through multiple filtration and purification stages. These systems remove impurities and ensure the water meets safety and quality standards. Once purified, other ingredients such as sweeteners, flavors, and carbon dioxide are carefully measured and prepared. After preparation, the ingredients are mixed using automated systems. Large stainless steel tanks blend everything together under controlled conditions. Temperature and pressure are monitored constantly to maintain consistency. This stage is critical because even a small imbalance can affect the final taste. Once mixing is complete, the liquid moves to the filling section. Empty containers are cleaned using high-pressure air and water systems. This ensures there is no contamination before filling begins. Automated machines then fill each container at high speed, maintaining accuracy and reducing waste. Next comes sealing. Bottles or cans are sealed immediately after filling to preserve freshness. Machines check each seal to ensure it is secure. Any defective container is automatically removed from the line. After sealing, labeling and packaging take place. Labels are applied at high speed, and products are grouped into packs for distribution. Advanced sensors inspect each item to ensure correct labeling and alignment. Quality control is a continuous process throughout the factory. Samples are tested regularly for taste, pressure, and safety. This ensures that every product meets industry standards before leaving the facility. Finally, packaged products are prepared for shipping. Automated systems organize them for transport to stores around the world. From start to finish, the entire process is designed for efficiency, safety, and consistency. This is how modern factories transform simple ingredients into products enjoyed by millions every day. Behind every drink is a complex system working silently to deliver quality at scale.